Hello friends, this is Sanjeev Malviya here. First of all, welcome to Smart Coding Tricks. Today we are going to learn few useful features of Sublime Text. Sublime Text is basically a text editor which is especially built for the developers because it gives you the flexibility to code smartly and even faster than any other editors. So let's get started. Emmet Coding is a plugin which allows you to code faster. Let me show you how it works actually. Okay. So to work with the Emmet, first you have to install the Emmet plugin. To install the Emmet plugin, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and here we get the command palette. Now type install and hit enter on install package. Okay, so it's loading the repositories. We can see here. Okay, these are the list of the packages and you can search for that particular package. So here we are going to work with the Emmet, so search for the Emmet and here it is. Now hit enter and let's get it installed. Okay, so installation is done. Now close this tab and create a HTML file. So here we are going to create the demo.html. Okay, now let me show you how it works actually. So if you want to work with the HTML file, then you just have to write HTML column 5 and hit tab, and it will generate the basic template for the HTML file. Now if you want to generate a div, then just type period and hit tab, and that's it. Now if you want to assign a class to a div, then type period followed by class name. That's it. We can do the same with the ID. Here we have to use the hashtag instead of the dot. Hash slider for ID and hit tab, and that's it. We can also assign class and ID at the same time. Period followed by class name, hashtag followed by ID, and hit tab. We can also assign multiple classes at the same time. We just have to type period, class name, period, and other class name, and hit tab. Okay. And the most important thing is that it will also allows you to create a set of nested tags by using the greater than symbol. For example, ul greater than li will generate this set of code. You can also perform multiplication to generate any number of element like this one. So friends, sometime when we are working with the project and at that time if we are not having the content, then don't worry. You can also generate set of dummy content of lorem ipsum. So you just have to write the lorem and hit tab, and it will generate the dummy content for you. We can also perform the multiplication on it, and that's it. For example, if I need a class, inside that a paragraph, and inside that lorem, okay, that's it. Isn't that easy? So these are the few abbreviation of Emmet coding which will help you to write a bunch of code very quickly. Okay, now let's move to the next point. The next feature is the few shortcuts which provided by the Sublime text. The first one is the Control plus D. It will generally select the word. Control plus Shift D will duplicate the line. For example, if we if you want to duplicate this, then just simply press the Control Shift plus D, and that's it. As many times you press the Control Shift plus D, it will generate the duplicate code. Okay. If you want to go to the line number, then simply use a Control plus G and search for that particular line. Okay, so these are the shortcuts which are mostly useful when you are working with Sublime text. Okay, the next one is material theme. So if you want to install the material theme, let's clear the text. Material theme is also a plugin in Sublime text, so we must have to install it first. So search for the install package. Here it is, and this is the material theme. Hit enter. Let's wait for it to install. Basically, it will take few seconds, but it depends up to your internet speed. Okay, we got the text here, and installation is done. Here you can see the message, theme successfully installed. Okay, now just simply close this tab and restart the Sublime tab. Remember that if you are installing any plugin or package, then you must have to restart the Sublime text to make apply those changes. Okay, so now go to preferences, package setting, material theme, and activate it. Now you can see, oh, it looks so attractive, no? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with a few more exciting and interesting stuff. So bye bye, have a nice day.